Howdy there, folks. Here we're going to take a look at this VOOM Sonic Pro Series 7 Sonic Toothbrush. 5 speeds, 2-minute timer, and quadrant pacer. Let's go ahead and open this up. Has an inducer charger. And pulling it out. I love Sonic toothbrushes. So very nice charger right here. Nice long USB-A cord. Wall mount adapter, a whole bunch of different bristle heads here, and the toothbrush itself. Oh, I turned it on by accident. Ooh, I love the look of this one. Really nice, like brushed aluminum. Almost has just a hint of like gold color to it or something. And then you have your friction head. We're gonna put a head on there. Heads just go straight on like so. Nice bristles right here. It's got your white, clean, sensitive, gum care, deep clean settings. Tap it once, it's gonna go and cycle through. Yeah, really nice. Really nice. Easy to operate, nice sleek design. Was sent to me for review.